Welcome to this video on Social Post Studio. Just going to give you an update here. This is our latest update to show you around the new interface so you can see. We've got, when you're going to post a message, a link, photo, video or a carousel to any of your profiles, pages or groups. And literally, for example, here on the status, you just type in the status, or the message rather. You then click the account that you want it to go to. So you can have multiple accounts, of course. And you can schedule a date, or if you want it to go right now, click schedule message. Now, if you are going to do post this to multiple accounts, then it's advisable to set an interval between each post. So, for example, 30 seconds would probably be okay, or you could set it for 120 seconds, just so that you're not seen as spamming. Then we come across, apart from a standard message post, status update, we've got a link post where you can put a message, a link that what they'll click through to. Then you can put an image that that will show, so that the people that click it will click the image and go to that link. You can give the link, give it a name, a caption as well if you want, and a description. And then finally, you will set your pages, groups or profiles that you want to submit the link to. And again, remember, set an interval. Now, if you want to delete, if you want to have the post deleted after a certain amount of time, then you can set it here. So you can say, right, I'm going to have it deleted after 360 seconds or however long. And here, of course, you can repeat the post, and you can repeat it a certain number of times and set an interval between each repeat. Okay, so that's the link. Then we've got an image. Again, you just select your image, put a message in, and everything else is exactly the same. For the video, you won't be able to put a YouTube video in here. You'll use the link option for YouTube videos. So this option is really to put the URL of your video file. You can put video files on Dropbox or on Amazon S3, or they may even be on your web server. So you can't link here to a YouTube video. So just want to make that clear. If you want to post a YouTube video, then it will be done via a link. Okay, and then finally we've got a carousel. This is where you can create like a slideshow, if you like, where one image with links then flows to the next. And you'll put in a message, put in a link that will be attached to that message, and then you would add a link, a picture. This is a URL for the image. Again, you can use Dropbox, or you can use an image that's already hosted on your web server. Give it a name and a description. And then once you've done one, you can add more and more. So you have 3 or 4, really good for online retail, because you can have, for example, different sizes or different options for the same product. Then, of course, you can select the different accounts that you want the message to go to in exactly the same way as the other posts would go. Set an interval if you're doing multiple ones. Again, you can delete again, and of course you can have it repeat the post at any interval. We've got seconds here. Okay, so that's the posting on Social Post Studio. There is one other thing that I should mention, and that is a new option that we added, which is here in integrations. So what this does is you can have it automatically post from your website, in fact from any RSS feed. And all you would do, I'll show you the one that I've added here already. All you would do is put in the RSS feed from whichever website you're going to have it from. You'll then put in whether it's the latest post from that feed or a random, and you can have select multiple or single, and it shows you that when it was last shared. If you want to ignore certain URLs, then you can set a URL to ignore, and here we've got the full options where you add the time that it's going to check the RSS feed and the days that it will check it as well. Then you can see if it's going to post to multiple accounts or just one, and you can decide if you want to repeat the post too. So that basically would automate your post. So every time a new article is on your blog or even on anyone's blog, you can have it post from any website. It would post to your Facebook profile page or group, or to multiple pages, groups and profiles for you whenever you've decided to have it post. So you can have it post on any of the days or all of the days and at specific times. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If you have any queries, always feel free to contact us. Thanks very much for watching.